Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre. The cold front that reached Cape Town in the early morning hours of Saturday is approaching KwaZulu-Natal, while we're expecting stormy conditions in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, and the South African Weather Service issued a watch for severe thunderstorms in these two provinces with a potential for large hail and damaging winds. The advisory for heatwave conditions is still effective in the Northwest Province. Now let's take a look at the past 12-hour satellite loop. We can see the frontal system moving over the Western Cape in the early morning hours. It reached Port Elizabeth in the early part of the afternoon, where it's causing strong winds and rain, while it's mostly cloudy over the central parts of South Africa, and in this band of cloud we're expecting isolated thunderstorms. A very low risk of storms today over the eastern parts of northwest and northern Gauteng. Rain much later on over the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, while there's a 60% chance of showers and thunder showers over the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape and southern KwaZulu-Natal. As the front moves east, we're expecting the cooling to spread to KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga during the course of Sunday, with the possibility of light rain. But it's going to stay very hot over Gauteng, Northwest, the Free State, as well as the Western Interior, with sunny conditions. Now taking a look at the wind forecast for today, strong winds likely along the Eastern Cape coastline and south coast of KwaZulu-Natal, light winds over northern South Africa, and a fresh southerly to southeasterly breeze in Cape Town. Daytime temperatures clearly affected by the front in the west, only 21 degrees in Sutherland today, 22 in Cape Town and Port Elizabeth, lower 30s over the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, but it's very hot in the north with 37 degrees in Richards Bay. Overnight temperatures will drop to the single digits over the western and southern interior, definitely slightly unseasonal over the southern parts with 4 degrees in Sutherland, 7 in Graafrenet and De Aar, down to 10 degrees in Bloemfontein, 16 in Uppington overnight, 14s in Springbok, Vredendal and Cape Town, Johannesburg dropping to a low of 14 as well. Let's take a look at the maximum temperatures for Sunday. It will be a significantly cooler day in KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga, Pretoria with a high of 32 degrees and a potential for thunderstorms, while Cape Town stays sunny with a high of 28. Very hot conditions likely once again over Western South Africa on Monday, with partly cloudy dry weather in Gauteng.